So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to record shows on Spectrum TV app, cloud DVR setup, manage and playback. So how to record shows on Spectrum TV app? Steps are: add cloud DVR to your Spectrum TV plan, then open the Spectrum TV app or spectrumtv.net and sign in. Second one is find a show in the guide or search, then select it, then choose record or record series. The third one is go to my library to manage recording and play them anytime from the app or web. Introduction to Cloud DVR. Spectrum Cloud DVR CDVR lets you schedule and record live TV shows so you can watch them later on the Spectrum TV app or at spectrumtv.net. So you must have a cloud DVR subscription added to your TV series to use this feature. Second one is to requirement before recording. A Spectrum TV subscription with cloud DVR adds on. Logged in into the Spectrum TV app or online portal. A compatible device like mobile app, tablet, browser, smart TV app and etc. Cloud DVR supports scheduling up to 50 recording at once or more if upgraded. Then internet Spectrum service required up to 3 concurrent stream away from home. So the third one is how to set up recording. So open the Spectrum TV app or sign it at spectrumtv.net. Then go to the live TV guide or use search to find a show. Then select the program you want to record. Then tap the record icon or choose record series to save all episodes. Then confirm recording settings. One episode, new episode, etc. Managing your recordings. Go to my library in the app or online portal. View scheduled and recorded shows. You can delete, rename or change settings on recordings. Some recordings may be blocked due to licensing restrictions. Fifth one is playback recorded shows. To watch your recordings, open my library in the Spectrum TV app or on spectrumtv.net. Then select the program you want to watch. Then press play, rewind or fast forward. Recorded shows are saved in the cloud based on your DVR plan limits. So the sixth one is cloud DVR limits and notes. Cloud DVR holds recording in the cloud, no physical DVR box required. Some channels or programs may not be recordable due to copyright restrictions. If cloud DVR does not appear in your app, check your subscription or sign out, sign in again. Thank you.